Okay. I love the hair, although you can see that it's not professionally done. I love it. It's been a while since I've done my hair. Let me do this. What's good, chat? What's good, chat? We're live on YouTube as well. Are you going to trade live with us? Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Is Kara here? Oh, my brother, how are you? 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 How are you, boss? Yeah, I remember blowing my personal account because of the signals I took on a live. Was it my life? Damn, money really don't sleep. Ah, boys, why we sleeping, bro? We still have a lot of work to do, bro. We still have a lot of work to do, bro. Not yours. Alright, at least, at least. Do you work with MJ? I don't work with MJ, but I know MJ is a phenomenal trader. Phenomenal trader. I don't work with him on any project or anything, but we have made videos. We have linked up, made videos, and yeah. CPT next week, boy. Hey, you still need to put me on that shit, bro. I can land. I do need to land. One kind of request. Oh shit! I blocked the request thing. I forgot how to unblock it. Mm. Okay. Yeah. Do you have a mentor? Nah, I'm mostly self-taught. I wouldn't say I have a mentor. How do you sleep without a million? Exactly. Playing your YouTube stream on TV, also watching you on TikTok. Oh, thank you, goat. Thank you, goat. Both sides. Ish, but then how does it? Because there's a delay on YouTube. Is there no delay on YouTube? But yeah, shout out me. I'm grateful. There's money coming from the YouTube stream. I'm grateful. Thank me later. What do you mean, boss? What do you mean, boss? You just send a signal or something. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check what you have to say. Let me check what you have to say. Mm, 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 mm. Ah, there's nothing up. There's nothing up. There's nothing up. Oh wait, maybe there is. Trade ideas. Nah. Why am I thanking you later? What's up, bro? Does trading robots work, Chief? Yes, I'm joking. It depends on the robot, bro. It depends on the robot, bro. There's niggas who make a lot of money from robots, bro. Hey, Brooklyn, my brother. Let me try and invite you, bro. About Euro USD, what do you think? I'm gonna check the trades in a bit. Okay. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see.
Bro, what?
My boss, how are you?
I'm too nice. How are you?
I'm chilling. Chief, your number is not going through now.
Bro, I message you, but you know what's up, what it's doing to us, bro.
Also, you now, Chief.
What is it?
Yes,
Easy boy.
yes, boss.
I'm gonna put you on something. We're gonna call the goats boys in time.
We gonna what?
We're gonna call the goats small boys.
Mm.
The gurus.
Mm.
Boy, let me put you on. Trust me this time.
Oh, hey. You don't wanna discuss it on a live, Mus.
You know, I can't.
Oh, hey.
I can't. It's too much money.
How much are we talking?
It's easy, boy. I'm talking that you won't see a day. If you do this right, you won't see a day where you're making less than 20,000.
Without making?
If you do it right, you won't see a day where you have less than 20,000, bro. I was going to think some capping. Boys, and pull up by me next week, man. From Monday to Friday, bro.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
On.
Where you at now?
I'm by pause, you know.
You're by pause. I see you're not getting a apartment, bro.
I'm gonna buy next month.
Yeah, you must cook, boys, and you must cook, boys, and
I need to cook, Chief. I need to visa the thing, this one now. I need to visa the M4.
yeah, because you put the standards high up for yourself.
Chief, I always wanted M4. This one was just a, it was just a, how can I say it? It's a cop out. It was a cop out.
I hear you, but you put the standard high for yourself. Now you could have, even if you say the polo, I'm saying no.
Boy, Apollo will see it, Chief.
Polo Mpana will never see it, boy.
I'm telling you, bro. At least once, dog. At least once you need to visa a golf.
A golf?
Yes.
At least once you need to have a McLaren.
Obvious, those ones will come. Ish, this brother, also him.
Boy, me, I'm trying to make I want us to make like those American forex traders, bro. Those Dubai kids. Those kids are competing by the McLaren.
I see that, man. But I'm saying to reach there at that level, you tough. Not even to reach there, no. Even when you get to that level, I'm still going to want a fucking Golf 7 at least, bro.
Yeah, get to that level first and then buy a Golf 7.
Online, yes. I'll say 911, say Lambo, then I'll say Golf 7.
Yeah, clean, boy. You whoever buys a Golf 7, a VW is gay, boy.
Boy, Charles, boy, at least the answer thing is gorgeous, bro.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
You don't think that's your problem. You are buying to show people you have money.
Nah, I'm not buying to show people that have money. I'm buying because I want it. And you see, when you make coins, and I'm telling you, you also know this thing, but you know everything that you wanted before becomes low.
But don't that's the flop now sometime also.
Sleazy, even you, but how many times have you told yourself, "But when I get money, I wanna buy this"?
Boy.
When you get the money in mind.
Boy, life. Boy, life. Money is too fun, bro. You can buy anything at any time.
Money is fun, but you see the money I spend every day. I wish it could just come back when I spend it.
Also you now, Chief. Why are you spending so much? How much are we spending a day?
How much did you spend this year?
Don't talk about this year. How much did you spend a day? How much did you spend a day, Chief?
If I go out like a pow.
Sure.
Yeah, like normal day. But if it's a club day, like if I'm alone, maybe a pow, but I think that's a pow.
But then when you are with people now.
If I'm with people, I'm not with people every day, but it depends, yo.
If you're with people, you know, these are not just people. How much are you usually spending, my nigga?
What do you mean if I'm with people and I know these are not just people?
I mean, in the sense of whenever there's Bruellas, not just random brews, you're not going to go into 50 on with random brews. But when it's the Bruellas, you like to spend, you chief.
Also, you.
You like, yo, don't say also you like that now. Me, I spent,
Also, you.
hey, man, I did, ne? But me, I spent outside of the club, bro.
But you see that one, you see, now you're talking another one. I don't know, but when last did you hear me talking about club point? Right now, the things I tell you about is traveling activities and things like that.
Thank you, good.
No.
Cape Town next week again.
Are you down? For real, boy?
On.
Me, I'm down.
Ish.
You can run it up, boy.
Hold on, what's the brother saying? I wanna cook a streaming thing, bro. A proper one.
Let's go back. Run it up, boys. Me and you have to do business this year, boy.
Boss.
Let's go buy quarters, gents.
Yeah?
Let's go buy quarters.
Where?
Where you talking, man? Boy, there's this other place now. Where Scaragno. There's this other place. Nice. I'm telling you, I'm gonna send you a picture next time I buy, boy. The quarters that they sell are fucking crazy, boy.
Yeah.
Like I'm saying, you could fill up 2 scuff teams with the chips that are in there, boy. Trust.
Yeah. I know, I hear you, boss.
What y'all chatting about?
The brother wants to go to Cape Town. Oh, Zico, my brother, how are you?
Niggas are just chatting, bro.
Hey, you never know, chief. You never know.
What's the bro saying? Niggas are just chatting. Niggas are just chatting, bro. Next week, all of you are gonna be posted up there, boys. Hey, nah, I hear you, boy. I say we could do something for December, gents. I say we do something for December. Boy. Send this too far. I mean, December with the family, boy.
I'm gonna be at the mountains. Chai.
You going this year?
Yeah.
You gonna buy sleeves?
Yes, chief.
Long day. Let's come back, boy. Let's bet again. Let's bet this year.
Bro said again.
Let's bet. Please make money that December. I'm gonna go. Let's see. Let's see.
Nah, chief. Trust, boy. Trust.
I'm saying let's bet. You say nah, and then you.
How much?
Boy. She see the money in chat now. I don't wanna bet mine. I'm just to bet like $3. By that time you'd have had an apartment, so can do whatever I wanna do in your post.
You see this brother. You see now you took the excitement out. Now I'm waiting to hear chief.
Boy, money bets are for small boy. Now let's do big things, bro. Like that increase.
Oh.
Wants to chow in your room.
Chief.
Don't allow. You're gonna come back to your mattress being moist. Hey, don't talk. Let's not talk. Don't talk. You know yourself. Don't talk. It's fine. No, let's not talk about that.
Away on. Away.
Come to Cape Town.
Yeah?
Easy boy, they wanna do a meet and greet.
Hey, you see now that level.
In the comments.
Now that level, I'm a meet and greet. Kiawasaba, mina.
I'll come to Durban and then we extend the bra.
Yo, Bruce said come to Durban and we extend. Next week, away, we'll see you. I'll check the flights.
You must tell me before what's it called, before Friday, because I'm still deciding. I'll see if I'm gonna extend or what.
Oh, how much is your withdrawal fee for a copy trade? They're asking
No,
you.
I don't understand that, but you can just withdraw whatever you make. Like, when you make like withdraw
What a
everything.
fee for copy trade.
Hey, my chief, what do you use for? Didn't you copy trade through a broker? Which one?
VT market,
And then percentage?
10%.
You take 10% of whatever they make.
No, I take 50%, but
Oh.
of whatever I make them. So basically, they get half of whatever I make.
Yeah. Okay.
GP boy.
Mine's not check. That's, you see that one. Let's not talk about it in the live. But yeah, bros, they just get half of what I make. It depends on how much I make, bro. So if I made a big amount, then it will be half. But then if it's a small amount, it will be 10%.
I was wondering, bruh.
You wanna start calculating things, you know?
Me, you know me when money starts being spoken about, chief. I'm already calculating now in my head.
Daylight robbery, what do you mean, bro?
You see now daylight robbery, bro.
Like, these people are tripping, bro. They're not.
They don't understand the flip flop. They thinking it's like a small flip.
Like, bro, even if it's 50%, I'm giving them half of what I made completely free, bro. They're not doing anything. And now they wanna say daylight robbery. You are robbing me.
Robbery trading is hard facts.
Like, take it in a way of, I'm not taking 50% of what I make. You take it in a way of, you are taking 50% of what I make.
It's just a random guy, this one. He's just gonna keep scrolling at some point. It'll just miss. Broker recommendation, link in bio, boss. So have you tested funded next prop firm? Nah. Yeah?
Yeah, I have tested them funded next.
How is it?
I heard people get banned, bro.
Someone put me on to funded next. Now one of my bros put me on to funded next. Now, bro, that nigga went to funded next for a robbery. He robbed them, but he failed. He couldn't get the coins.
Hey.
Put me on. I tried to rob them, but I couldn't get the coins. Nigga, it's you. Why are you acting confused, bro?
Ima, what did you rob them kanjani manje?
You can't rob a prop firm, bro.
You can, bro. You can. Okay, you can attempt to rob them, but then if you fail, you fail. Can attempt to rob them, bro. Can go there as an
firms are not brokers, bro. What do you mean
bro?
attempt?
Bro. Then you want the game.
I got what you mean. Don't say it on the live. I got what you mean.
I don't know. Okay, sleazy, like you acting confused. When when you went to funded next that time, what was the length?
What was there?
What was the length?
In what sense? When I went there, as in I was trading with them.
Boy, you're not supposed to. You're not. Boy, the answer that he's looking for, you're not supposed to talk about it on live. We'll talk about it in private chat. Like, check your WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp.
Like, I don't know why this nigga's acting slow. Because he's the one who put me on there.
Oh.
Out of them, I as this side. Prop firms, brokers, we milk them, bro. We make sure we trade. They complain.
It depends on the prop, though, because some of them profit cap.
Oh.
GFT had me with that. Until they cut me.
Hey, sleazy will vomit. What do you mean, no? Hey man, people are confusing me now. Scara, please inbox your tens. I wait. Yeah.
Chief.
Good afternoon. What's up?
Why are you live at 1?
Because I'm gonna trade.
Easy ski signals, man.
I don't have a direction at the moment.
That sucks.
The direction should be sleeping, boy.
I don't know how to chief. When you guys are sleeping, we are working as we are making money. Enjoy. Go sleep, boss.
Go sleep.
Vela, and I'm about to sleep.
Oh, hey.
You see, when I get off this live, boy, I'm gonna get into the blankets, boy, and I have that thick duvet.
Hey, thank you, God. I make sure.
Thank you, bro.
Me, I don't die. Not this time. It's too early right now.
Also, not this time. The bank account is not agreeing.
Exactly.
It's too early. Kawan is insane, Oaks.
Nah, boy. Pluto's in UK. Hey, Pluto's stepping on them necks, bruh.
Which is too much, man.
It's cooking. It's cooking.
Yeah.
It's cooking right now. On.
When is that gonna be us, gents?
Oh, the brother.
Hey.
The brother.
Like,
What do you mean?
What?
Giovanni wants to join.
Yima. Elaborate, bro.
Elaborate on what?
What do you mean, like, when is it gonna be us? It's just straightforward.
I mean, taking only UK trips and whatnot.
Okay.
Me, I wanna eat fish and chips in London, bro.
Us will be in UK. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. But their food is most dry, is it not? I'm gonna call the boy Sumar. He must explain. Add me. Hey, you see now this is the problem now, because I'm gonna want to kick people. They want me to add.
Anything useful too. I know people like this, bro. You know how it is.
Oh no.
He's in real life, bro.
He's busy telling people he is King Swati.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah?
We've never met in person.
No.
Not adding the goat. No, the thing is
Alu and Bands are like the only.
I wanna disconnect now so that I can try and reconnect. I wanna join Bruno's live.
Alright, shout out, bro.
I wanna I'm still gonna be live this side, but first I have to co-host before inviting again.
Oh yeah, you can do this nigga here ask, bro.
Who?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
I can hear you, yeah, why?
Oh, I'm saying always, yeah, you can share that live, whatever.
Oh, yeah. Just rejoin.
You tell Ejo, bro, like, hit me up when we are operating big matters, bro. I'll show you what I mean.
Oh, yeah, no wrong, boss.
Much love, yeah.
Shout out, boss.
Big boss.
Boss, how are you?
I'm chilling, how are you?
I'm okay, boss. What's the direction we are seeing today?
Today I see cells.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, I see cells. But right now we're still playing games. I wanted to get a proper entry, but hey, look at this candle. Just sharp shoot straight inside.
Oh, okay, I see. You're looking on the 1 minute. I was confused.
This is just 1 minute.
But I see those cells.
Oh yeah?
I see them. It's failing to break above that head and shoulder.
Yeah. Now it just manipulated right inside because it was supposed to have respected this area. So whatever it's doing there is just a little bit of extension. Because look at how beautiful 15 minutes looks like.
I see that one exactly.
So powerful cells are
It
gonna
was
land.
coming in from today. Let me show you the setup I was holding. Chief is not rumoring you to join, Kandi. I'm saying Demisha. Okay. So this was the analysis I had earlier on the day. If you can check the 5-minute time frame, you can see it went bullish right after breaking above this resistance and the swing to swing. But now it came back inside and it formed this flag at the same time. So now, hence I'm expecting the market to continue to drop. But I want to wait for the 2 a.m. Direction first.
Yeah.
Just so I can be correct.
Now cells are coming and they're gonna be long cells because from what I see overall, very beautiful cells coming in. Because I think the trend line that I showed you last night, I think it only respected it now. Because I'm seeing a continuation pattern happening. Let me show you. Still using that trend line from last night. So if you check, this is that trend line 1, 2, still pointing around this area, and then this is creating this kind of a pattern. If you check,
flag.
we have an impulse, correction, double bottom, double top. Then I'm expecting something like this. And then this area, that's why the price is so choppy. It becomes a whole corrective, a whole correction. So as you can see, this price here very corrective. So, but it's different to when it was dropping this time. So could be this movement, if it goes down, might just be one of these kind of moves, very impulsive to the downside. Yeah. Somebody says too many lines. Hey, don't understand the
I'm trying to understand the pattern that you're explaining.
Which one? The one is this one. I try to also put it aside.
What
Remember,
time frame is it?
What? That is a 4-hour time frame.
Okay, then that makes sense then. Okay.
You see it now.
Yeah.
So we had double bottom. So now we forming a double top. So which needs to give us cells.
Okay, I see the trend as well.
Yeah, of course we will trade FOMC.
Hey, they've been asking about FOMC.
It's because they've seen the news, how the news are chopping, so they don't want to miss nothing. Yo, guys, Capitec says it's under maintenance. Capitec,
Yo, you can't find now. Which asset is it? Gold. Yes, we're trading gold, XAUUSD. I'm expecting, I want the price to break below 116 before I can take any entries. I mean, it's respecting both the 126 and 121. But first it needs to get below 116 before I'm comfortable with this one. But that would mean that we can still get a correction. Capitec in big 26.
Bro, Capitec is failing me, bro. What
You
the
can't
fuck?
fund now. Try to
Nah, I
transfer.
can't fund because shit. I have money in Capitec. Capitec can get on, man.
What's the name of this strategy, my bro? I trade price action, bro. This is pure price action, bro.
What, 4 a.m.? What the fuck?
This is pure price action. You can see price created head and shoulders over here. And then now all these zones are support and resistance of that head and shoulders. So you can see this one was tested how many times? This was tested once.
I transferred those funds to Capitec.
3, and then it tested it for the 4th time, and then from there it started reversing, and then this was that support turned resistance once broken becomes support once broken becomes resistance. Tested once, twice, then it's now below it, testing it from underneath. We can expect the market to push down from here, but at the same time it still has enough price to actually reverse from where it is right now. You can even pull back even way before here, because at the same time we are seeing something like a breakout retest. Hence why I say first, before I can say it is what I'm seeing, the head and shoulders, I need to first see it break below this over here, and then and only then can we get a entry. But right now there's still that possibility of pushing above. Do you count the wicks or the body? I just count touches. It's not relative to the wick or the body. It's just about the amount of touches around a relative zone, if that makes sense. Like, for example, I can't say on this one I focused on the number of wick touches, but you can see that it was a wick here, it was a body here, it was a wick here, it was a body here. You understand? It's just the relative zone of where market reverses, but the zone becomes more powerful when there's a lot of more body closes. For example, this can be a zone as well, but if you take a look, this over here, there is a body touch, there's a body touch, another body touch. That becomes the more stronger one than this one, because this one is wick, body, it breaks, wick, breaks, wick. But instead, this one was more of the relative zone. I don't know if that makes sense. It's the zone. What is the difference between swing to swing and price action and ICC strategy? I don't trade ICC. I use price action. Swing to swing is price action. You understand? The price that we are looking at is price action, trend line, support and resistance. This is all price action. But swing to swing helps us to identify a specific time window. There are multiple strategies that I know and utilize, but swing to swing is that one strategy that has a repeatable pattern. Then it becomes much easier for me to teach and much easier for you to grasp. But everything that you see here is an addition. This is the basics. You learn your own patterns, you learn your own tricks. It's like playing chess. You don't get it the first time. You learn the basics and then you start to be creative with it. You start to understand it better based on the experience you have with it. You understand? There's a beautiful thing that happens in chess when you stop learning the book moves, when you stop guessing the moves and you start calculating multiple different sequences and seeing and reacting to every move on the board. You become more creative. That's when you start to understand it better. Same thing with trading. The more time you spend on it and understand the basics, the trend lines, the support and resistance, then you can now start to identify that, oh, around this time we expect a lot of volatility on gold. Around that time we expect a lot of volatility on on gold. Around this time we expect the market to move like this, or around that time we expect the market to move like that. So now that's what swing to swing is. There's specific times where certain things happen. It's easy to identify, it's easy to use, and you don't need a lot more patterns and other things to identify. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the sells, but I'm gonna start only trading around 2 a.m. Yo, how's SA? Is chilling. How are you, bro? How are you, Lieutenant, my brother? Woof! That push on gold looks nice.
Downwards.
It's going up.
Upwards. I'm still playing around.
I'm seeing a different picture. Like it could be playing something different. Hence, I'm waiting for 2 a.m.
To get a confirmation.
Yeah, so the only time I'm comfortable with sells is if it gets below here, this resistance. Because at the same time, yes, there's this head and shoulders, but you can also look at it as a flag breakout retest. So this doesn't tell me too much. But once we get below this, it completely mises that whole thing. You have. So this one would make it more probable for the cells if it were to get below it. So for now, it's just a patience game.
Ayo, you lost what? You lost the phone. Hurry, bro. You still have my number. Text me.
What time frame are you analyzing on Sleazy? I'm on the 1 minute.
Today.
Yeah?
I'm talking to this bro. He says it's Prada.
Are you waiting for another proper retest, Sleazy? I'm not waiting for anything right now. Really, I'm not waiting for anything. I'm with you on that one, ONG Sleazy. Much love, brother. Much love. Oh, I forgot to fund. How many trades are you taking tonight? 355. Oh, I used to trade a lot, bruh. Yo, you know that thing of trading for the sake of having an entry, bruh. Yo, when you have money in the account, you just feel like you must execute.
You must just go in. Yes, we're trying to like get a proper direction.
Hey, Chifukari, I'm already tired now.
Hey, Chief.
Did you end up going to this thing to
Nah, I
Northwest?
didn't go. That's why I didn't come. Eh?
I'm asking myself, Chief, the whole time I'm waiting for the call.
I'm like, this brew is gonna finally say fuck you, Bruno. Just keep the brew waiting. Even on Sunday, on Saturday since Kirkat. I'm like, this brew.
Aye. Aye, now you feel me now, Chief.
Hey, bro, how is there? Hey,
No, true.
But we'll rock you. I don't have to. You just see me outside.
Thank you, bro. Yo, hi, bro. This thing is boring. Yo, just waiting. Yeah, it's very consolidative right now. It's doing nothing.
Yeah, no, it's waiting for a break. Hey, bro, you see last night, because of being patient, how we caught proper entries. I caught the proper buy and like recite this.
Just went hard.
I had to wait. I had to wait, sit on my hands like for shit.
Yesterday was clean. Yes, Joe, and then I accidentally made too much money today, bro. I was supposed to only make $2,000 on the GFT. I accidentally made 4,000 because last night's trades, and then during the day, in my mind, because it was in the morning, I'm thinking it was yesterday. So now I trade again to push the days. That consistency, oh, that thing pisses me off, bro.
Shit.
That thing pisses me off. Morning, Harvey. How are you? Hey, why ni bahle kangaka lapha? Hey. Sup, you Muslim? No, brother, man. I am Christian.
I can't put it. It says what? It's 0691029093. 0691029093. How old Sleaze is 20?
Why people like we are buying or what? I don't know, bro. I'm leaning towards sales, but I see why it would be buying. There's only two things that I'm actually waiting for. Either it breaks above 126 or below 116. But 2 a.m. is going to give us the answer properly. But for now, it's just about patience.
Yeah.
And then if we can further go and break above 140, then we're gonna have longer buys to go and break all the way above 164. But we still need to see either a breakout to the upside or the downside. If we break below 116, I see us going as low as 84. Hey dog, I've got too many questions. Hey, what do you mean? Yo. Okay. Do you count the wicks? Okay, I answered that one. What's the difference between swing to swing, price action, and ICC? I believe ICC is a what's this thing? A breakout strategy. I believe it's what? Indication, correction, continuation. It's a breakout strategy. And then well, I trade and fully understand ICT smart money concepts. Oh, okay, that's why you would be asking those questions. Then it makes sense. I don't use ICT. I feel like ICT is the more precise price action. In the sense of you guys don't look at trend lines, you look at point of interest, but relatively we're getting the same entry, just explained differently. I don't know if that makes sense. For example, my swing to swing strategy is basically accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but I don't go as far as you must look for market structure shift, you must look for this. My market structure shift is a simple double top or a head and shoulders, for example. Um, yeah, and then we also have breakout retest for you. That could be price is just continuing in the same direction instead of manipulation and distributing in the opposite direction. It manipulates and distributes in the same direction, so maybe it will break out, retest, pull back into a fair value gap, create your market structure shift, your entry, and then go. Bye. Hey, bros, please don't spam, nah. Hey, chief, please don't spam. Please don't spam. I'll block you, I'll block you. How much have you accumulated on trading? Just a rough estimate. How long did it take to get profitable? Overall, I've made more than 3.5, and no, more than 2.5. This year alone, I made 2. Yeah, we look like we're gonna have buys. We look like we're gonna have buys. Let me clear my chart and actually start over here. Actually start over. Yes, 2 more. Sleazy, what's your view about full margin? I do it in a specific type of way. I don't full margin the same way you guys do. Full margin is not how can I say it? It can't be consistent. Please show your chart. I'm doing it on YouTube. Please switch the camera. Let's see the analysis. Okay. But just check me out on YouTube. I also need the ad revenue, guys, please. Let me just find my account. Let me find my account. I'm gonna find Fort Clipper again. Let's see. This time maybe we'll go for, I don't know, 2K, 1K. Yeah. Name on YouTube, ONG underscore sleazy on YouTube, ONG underscore sleazy on every platform.
Prada Chief, are you still in here? Prada, are you still here? Are you based in Cape Town, bro? No. Ngise-Goli, mfana. Ngise-Goli.
How bandla? So khuluma isiZulu manje.
Ngiyakhuluma.
Thank you,
Ngiyakhuluma
God.
la. Guys, me ABR will tell. For now, I'm just waiting. But my overall bias, I'm still looking for sales. But ABR will give me a confirmation of where we're going exactly. Is Sleazy in Cape Town? Yes, he's in Cape Town.
What's happening in Cape Town, guys?
I wonder. These people, they want us to be in Cape Town. Maybe we belong in Cape Town.
Hey, who knows? Must go there.
Yeah.
You're targeting buys. Everybody's looking for buys.
Comment your WhatsApp number there. I'll text you now. Comment your number there, and then I'll text you. I'll take a screenshot. JDM are what big flippers are, you know.
Ha 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 ha. Yeah.
And we are
You went
waiting
to
to
both
do
the
just
lives.
Yeah?
JDM went to both lives.
And we are here waiting to do just that, flipping.
Ay, today I feel good about it. Let me send live to the people. I feel good about today.
Yeah.
The way the market is forming seems clean.
It looks proper, ne?
It's just that you're not gonna behave. I'm seeing the opposite direction.
You wanna buy?
Potentially.
Oh,
Potential.
let's see.
So bona khona what?
Yeah, we'll see.
YouTube. Now I'm sending my YouTube chat instead of the actual link. Also me now. Eish.
You're cool, bro. Does it tap? Does it tap or something? Ish. Shit.
You can request.
Yeah, it does. But my already blocked it. That's proper.
Yeah, I wanna buy this shit.
Chief, I have cash. I think I must go. I must go deposit to FNB, bro.
Now.
Now. I can't miss these trades, bro.
You have 17 minutes.
Where the fuck am I gonna get an FNB now?
I wanna enter. Hold on.
Guys, somebody send me money. You'll get it in the morning. Buffet, you. Oh, what? Yo. Mara kebita ke ya gafa kante.
Fuck it. YouTube's name Sleazy. ONG_Sleazy. ONG_Sleazy, bro. ONG_Sleazy. Away you go live daily. I'm new here. I'm live every day.
Scam you. I have cash even. And besides, I have money, a lot of money on my capital.
What's your YouTube? Oh.
Yeah. And people are connected to my copy trading now.
ICC strategy is bearish. Me, I don't use ICC, bro.
We need to make money today, bro. We don't want to see money and we don't want to make it.
I know today will be this one. I feel it.
We have to cook.
There's an inverse head and shoulders as well, bro.
To the upside, right?
Yeah.
I said. The same area it failed to break, it retested inside.
Yeah. It's reversing right back up now. Buy gold and delete MT5. I don't think it's ever that deep. I don't think it's ever that deep.
Prada, my boy, we won't be able to keep because now I don't know how much this person will send me. I was gonna fund more accounts, but my Capitec, if it's not working, we're not gonna be able to work properly now. Mara. Buy US30. Buy. You buy.
Let's see. The push to the upside is sexy as fuck. Let me show you something. 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 Have you entered? Yes. Yes, I've been long in, bro. I was in when it broke here. I'm up a clipper. The goal is to make 1,000 today. I'm gonna try and flip 2 clipper to 1K today. I was in at 123. Yeah, the exact place of the entry is where I done the entry. Yeah, that's my exact entry right there. That's my exact entry. Bro, I don't compete like that, bro. Oranges gave up 10s, Bruella. 066 293 206. 066 293 206. 066 293 206. Okay, so I'm gonna be behind my thing now. Why didn't you give the signal right here, Sleazy? I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. So now we're just waiting for 2 a.m. to see what happens. If we can get above here and then have some sort of retracement around here, around this red resistance, then that's where I'm gonna take another buy. But for now, I'm happy with that entry. We're just gonna hold where it is and see how far it goes. But I'm aiming towards the buys. I mean, I was seeing the sells, but as soon as we came and broke above here, we had to, we had to switch the sides. We had to switch the sides. Right over here, you'll see that there was some sort of flag right there, that breakout retest. Once it pushed back upstairs like that, pushed onto the upside at 123, that's where I caught my entry. Even this works. We closed the gap while we had already closed the gap long ago. So now we just need price to continue to push up and then come give a breakout retest around here. So let's see how it goes. Do you trade Nasdaq? No. I only trade gold, bro. I'm only trading gold. Nothing else but gold. What happens at 2 a.m.? Agent session open. Agent session open. Yeah, I like that. I like it. Even if we can come back down here, it's just giving more entries for those buys. I think if it comes back here and then it pushes, once we break above this high, I'm gonna full port. Please share your iPhone screen. Eish, that means I'll have to leave the live on TikTok. Do you guys like it when I share? As usual, please. Flip. Okay, I have to. I'm gonna get a new phone, guys. I'm gonna get a new phone, bro. So I'm sorry, I have to run away from the live. I'm live on YouTube, ONG_sleazy. I need to get a new phone, bro. Show me that nigga. Let's see how it goes. Funded account is sitting lovely, sitting beautifully. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. We're learning this side. Much love, boss. Much love, bro. Okay, so I just needed it to hit 146. 146. That's not that far. That's halfway of the setup here on Gold Funded. I'm scared that I might need to do $4,000 because I accidentally made too much money yesterday. But from the looks of things, I'm happy with this trade. I'm just gonna let it fly. And if I really have to make another amount, then I'll just do it tomorrow morning. Otherwise, this is one. I'm gonna try and take this account to 1,000 Rand. So it's funded 200 Rand. We're gonna try to take it to 1,000. Should I enter on my 5K instant funded account or gold funded trader? Hey man, it's road to M4. If you're not trading, you don't want the M4. So enter, bro. Let's run it, bro. Let's see. If we take a loss, it's trading, bro. We take a loss knowing the risks. So if you are comfortable with the risks, just go for it, bro. Only if you are comfortable, my boss. Only if you are comfortable. This could signal a new entry for me. This could signal a new entry. But the only problem is it's not 2 a.m. yet, but fuck it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's see if it closes above. Let's see if it can close above. If it doesn't, we're just gonna hold. If it does, we're gonna join it. If it does, we're gonna join it. From TikTok, much love, boy. How are you, bro? How are you, bro? Yeah, this is why I wanted to leave the TikTok, because you see, now I can share my screen. Do I want to full margin it though? No, I don't. It's not 2 a.m. yet. I don't want to full margin it. Maybe let's double. Let's double it. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's not a full margin yet, but it's quite risky. It's quite risky. This is quite risky. We have 4 minutes left. Still waiting on a retracement so I can enter. I'm hoping 2 a.m. doesn't give a retracement. It gives a continuation. This is Bruno Lines that's currently playing out. It's clear, I won't lie. What's clear? The screen. We try. Much love. Oh, you mean the setup? The setup is clear. Yeah. The setup is clear. I'm just trying to take it to a K, bro. I don't know why I always feel uneasy when I'm about to trade or when I'm in a trade. Hello Sleazy, how are you, brother? I tried sending you message on WhatsApp, but you don't reply. I'm so sorry, bro. I get a lot of messages, bro. I get 2,000 plus messages, bro. Don Zizi, hello Sleazy. Oh, you copied and pasted. Bro, copy and pasted the whole thing. Should I move the chat in front of the screen, or is it fine? You offer mentorship? Yes, I do, bro. I offer mentorship. I do free mentorship for anyone trading with the following broker. You just need to click this link. Hold on. Let me just put it up. So if you register with Trade245, which is the broker that I am trading with currently, the link is going to be pinned in the comment section right now. So just click the pinned comment. To get yourself an account, and then you will be able to get mentorship from me. I'll teach you the exact same strategy I use on a day-to-day basis, which is swing to swing. It's money on the line, so feeling uneasy is part of the game, bro. Exactly, bro. But thing is, bro, I always thought that specific aspect would calm down as time goes, as I get more experience. I'm 5 years deep into the game. I'm not as scared as I was back then, but it doesn't get easier. It doesn't get easier, you just get stronger. In a sense of, you know how to operate even when you are feeling uneasy. And that is really the goal, is to be able to operate when you are feeling uneasy. That's discipline. You get me? You need to be able to identify the emotions that you have and not control them, but rather control yourself and be aware of them. Yeah. Selling a jagulana boy. I'm hoping it does that 1, 2, 3 that it did earlier today, but from the looks of things, it might not do that. Oh, bro, what the flip is happening? What is happening, bro? What? We floating 200 already, bro? What is happening, dog? What is genuinely happening, bro? Are you lying to me, dog? You lying, bro. Let's see, man. Let's Woof! 2 a.m. No. You like to scare us, you. You see that pullback? It's not nice. Keep flying. You like to scare us, you. Buy. You know you want to buy. Keep buying. You like to scare us when 2 a.m. Come on. Come on. Give us those buys. Give us those buys. Everybody is anticipating a buy right now. Do what is obvious. Do what is obvious. Do what is obvious. That buy is obvious. Come on. That buy is obvious. That buy is obvious, gold. That buy is obvious, gold. There's no use trying to manipulate us. Flip, man. I never like market open. I never get comfortable with market open. It's never comfortable for me, bro. It's so uncomforting. It's so scary, bro. Market open. Experience or no experience, the market is very manipulative. Yes, definitely. Actually, no. Actually, it's just price action. It's random. To be honest with ourselves, price is random. It leaves behind clues and patterns, but it is very random, which is why the goal is to stay safe, which is why it is expected to take a loss. So when you have a positive growth expectancy, then you know you are doing something right, because it's long-term wins, not short-term wins. Yes, there will come seasons where you get a lot of short-term wins, but overall the growth curve is very linear. No, it's parabolic. The better you get, the more money you make. But it's also not the more money you make, the better you get. You can have a lot of money and still be shit. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking. I like to be in my thoughts a lot, especially when I'm trading. It helps me decode the movements, and it also calms the mind. And I'm very fidgeting as well. I don't know. It's because I have ADHD, bro. I have ADHD, so it's very hard for me to focus. So whenever I speak a lot, it's much easier for me to focus on something, you know. It's much easier for me to get tasks done whenever I'm speaking a lot, because my mind is occupied. My mind is occupied. But that also means once I get a lot of focus in, I get very prone to emotion. So that's another thing that kept my progress very slow. That's what kept my progress very slow. We're still in profits, but those profits are very small. Does watching these ads pay out? Yes, it does. It helps with my payouts, yeah. Are they too much? Are they too much, the ads? There's a reason there's a reason I got you guys to come this side. I'm trying to make money on YouTube too, bro. I'm trying to grind out the YouTube side as well, you know. Trying to see if we can make money on every aspect of life. I always said on a TikTok live, I remember 2 years ago I was sitting on a TikTok live talking about trying to monetize everything that you do. And I myself am a person who loves to speak and a person who loves to teach, whether it has to do with trading or I'm just teaching something about life in general, something that I learned. I'm a teacher at heart, so it's a win-win situation. I get paid to speak. I get paid to speak. But at the same time, I'm a trader at heart. So whenever you are here, you know that you are going to get genuine uncut gold. And I rarely ever cut and post proper videos. I don't have time and I'm very lazy. So you are currently sitting in a gold mine that is going to be undiscovered for a long period of time. You all are currently sitting on a gold mine. And we gonna make a lot of money together, guys. Trust me, we're gonna make a lot of money together. Just be here every single day, every single night. Just grind it out with me. We're gonna make a lot of money. Is it good money though? Or do you think you need more people on the live? We do need more people on the live. I mean, but I can't complain. It's an extra 1,000 every month, bro. Roughly, I pay 2,500 every month right now for Cairo, and then have some saved for any unexpected emergencies. Also for future as well, for whenever he starts to go to school as well. I'm gonna have to have something around so that I can sort out a whole year in advance without stress, and at the same time myself as well. I myself can't even get an apartment that I go and pay 10,000 every month, because they would much rather I pay 120,000 upfront, simply because my credit score is very low. So that's why I even bought the car cash. I don't finance, I just buy it cash because I don't have anything stable. My income is it's all over the place. And yes, there are other fixes to it, in terms of, okay, go and get things on credit and whatnot and what forth, so that you can build your credit score and then you can go get a place. But I mean, it's much easier to do everything by buying it cash. you know um I don't even know how I got to that conversation. I'm just speaking. I don't even know how I got to that point. I don't like the way the market is pushing right now. But I'm just gonna be patient because it hasn't shown me enough for me to automatically want to run away from the trade. Oh, I'm in a loss actually. Oh, it's because I added a lot. I added 4 0.50s instead of 2. So now, whereas I'm still supposed to be in a minor profit, I'm in a loss. Meaning this has to be the one. A score is important, most. Yeah, a credit score is very important, bro. A credit score is very important, bro. Flow state, just talk. Hey, boys. Hey, boys. You guys caught me at a very, very vulnerable state, dog. Because 2 a.m., you usually alone with your thoughts doing nothing. But now we are sitting here grinding it out to make money together. There's beauty in the struggle. There's beauty in the struggle. But when it all pays out, you guys will understand. Hey, I've gone through it. Yeah, that shit is fun as hell, bro. But you guys will understand when it pays out. Just sit through with me. Let me help you. Let me make you rich. When I tell you to trade with this broker, trade with that broker, it helps me too. And at the same time, I know why. I know why I specifically chose that broker. I know whenever the fundamentals come around, this specific account type is going to be killer. When we are trading fundamentals, we are going to be using Trade 245, bro. Trust. And those fundamentals are going to be a killer. I'm going to show you guys how to make a whole lot of money very fast. But we also need to learn how to save. Bull run soon, hopefully, bro. Honestly speaking, bro, you are one of the best forex grinding in KZN, and I hope to reach your level of grinding. Much love, bro. Much love, bro. We trying, bro. We grinding it out. But I'm not from KZN. I'm Xhosa from Eastern Cape. I'm Xhosa was Eastern Cape, but much love, bro. Respect, bro. Bull run soon, hopefully, bro. Hopefully, bro. Let's see how it goes. How much are those profits? I'm in a loss actually because I added 4 trades here, whereas I only have 2 trades down here. So I'm in a 45 rand to 50 rand loss. And I'm trading 200 rand. And just gonna, if this unfortunately takes me out, then I have one more 200 to wait. Bro, I respect you. Much love, bro. Much love, bro. Clean. What do you mean, bruh? Are you in Durban, bro? Nah, right now I'm in PTA, bro. I'm in PTA, bro. I'm in PTA, boss. Ooh. There's a lot of price that can still be covered. The price can drop a lot further. Maybe I should have just taken the trade, the profits at the top and not added. Adding is perhaps my biggest downfall to this specific trade. But we do have one more. Okay, the trades are closing out. The trades are closing out. The trades are closing out now. Okay, cool. I'm still going to stick with the buys, so let me just transfer the last 200. I'm still gonna stick with the buys. I'm gonna transfer the last 200, leave this trade running, and then with that last 200 we'll catch better entries as time goes. We're just gonna be patient now. We're just gonna wait one more for a good entry. Submits. Okay, perfect. Cool. Okay. Yeah, is it stop losses in profits? Let's see how it goes. Hey man, I was running 700, but that downswing took me to a loss of 50. It happens, bro. It happens, bro. It happens, bro. We'll just wait. Let's just be patient, bro. Let's just be patient, bro. That's the only thing we can do right now. All we gotta do is be patient, bro. All we gotta do is be patient, bro. I believe in the buy still, though. You are too brave. It's a micro account, bro. It's a micro account. The standard account is the funded. It's the standard account is the funded. From $600. But this one is a rand account. It's a micro account. Hence, I'm opening 0.5. Hey, bro, you guys will learn. You need to increase the lot size, bro. You need to increase. You guys, half of you guys already know how to trade. Your biggest problem is that you're making small money, bro. Half of you guys are not making enough money. So you never get the ball rolling in time. I counted 300, but I'm riding with you till the end. If I make the profit today, I'm joining your membership. Thank you, Goat. Let's see if we can actually make your membership, man. Let's see. Excuse me. Oof. I don't like the drop. I don't like the drop, but the buys that are coming are going to be gorgeous. It's just that now we're not gonna have a beautiful entry anymore. Yo. Bro, we had such a gorgeous entry there at the bottom, bro. We had such a beautiful entry. But it's cool. Just the fear to lose is the problem. I got school at 5 a.m. Man, I'm head to bed. Enjoy the live. See ya, man. Much love, bro. Much love, bro. Just the fear. Fear of lose is the problem. Who, me? Yeah, it kills me sometimes. Since I have followed you, you have been trading. Hey, bro. I trade a lot, bro. I was used to enter any time of the day, bro. No, don't let's not enter any time of the day. We only enter 2 times now. We enter around 3 and then we enter at 2 a.m. 3 p.m. 2 a.m. Simple guys. 3 p.m. 2 a.m. Simple guys. Simple guys. Okay. That was not a really calculated entry. That's not a really calculated entry. I'm just going off of volatility. I'm going off of volatility right there. But we have nothing to lose, bro. It's too deeper. We have nothing to lose. The only one that is actually, dear to my heart right now is this trade. This one over here. This trade is dear to my heart. I need price to come break above here. If he can hit TP, I'll be the happiest man alive. This one though, I mean, it's alright. Sleazy, please do you do this every day by these times? Yes, I do it during the day from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and this time again from midnight to maybe 3 a.m., bro. I'm gonna extend the times once I get my own place and own space. I'm gonna extend the times and do trading the whole day. And then I'm also gonna get a second phone so that I can also be live on TikTok at the same time and then have multiple screens. And then as we go and grow, you'll see, guys, everything is going to start making sense. God bless you. Much love, bro. Much love, bro. You'll see everything will make sense, bro. Everything is gonna be insane, bro. Oh, what was your first aha moment? When I finally, after the reason I say finally is because the lesson was always in front of my very eyes. There is no real aha moment, but my aha moment was finally accepting that psychology will always be above the skill. You have to have the skill as the base, but psychology is above it all. It's what sits on top. It's what's important. It's kind of it's what tells you no when you want to keep going. That's what makes you profitable. That was my aha moment. I don't know. I'll be joining you you often so we can trade together. Clean job, boss. Clean job. You see, now you have a nice time to trade. What's your TP, bro? My TP is 4,160. I want to take it to 4,160. I'm really hoping that it pushes up right there. I'm hope trading though right now. I'm hope trading right now. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. I should not be hope trading. I should not be hope trading. You must come to Durban, bro. I will, bro. I'll come to. I wanna go to Umhlanga. Hey, this car that I saw, bro, so gorgeous, bro. It's a Porsche 911. Bro, I need me a Porsche 911 GT3 RS, bro. I want that car so badly, bro. I want a GT3 RS so badly, bro. I saw one there in Mhlanga, bro. And I also heard the beaches there are very nice. They're very lovely in the summer. In terms of it's not cold. Yo, even summer in Cape Town is cold, bro. It is cold. The sun just goes down. Like it never goes down. The sun just does not go. Like it doesn't know when to go down. Like it's so lovely, bro. How do these prop firms work? I really can't get them well. Um, Realistically, a prop firm is built for you to lose up until you understand the rules, and then you use the rules to work for you. 8R in blue by 20 years. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Let's keep on cooking, bro. Let's keep on pushing. Let's go every single day as we try and reach that goal, bro. Every single day, let's hop on and try and reach that goal, bro. And I'll try my best to make sure to teach as much as possible. I'm not the best trader. I don't think I ever will be the best trader. Because one thing that I learned is not to compare myself. So, in turn, my goal was never to be the best or whatever. It is to always be better. You get me? There's always something that you could be doing better. So, my aim is to better that one thing every single day. Every single day. Just survive one day, bro. Just do it one day at a time, one step at a time. Is there a strategy using mathematics? Yes, there is. But why are you trying to be a maths genius, dog? Just learn structure, bro. Learn the structure. But yes, there is a strategy that uses maths. I believe Copano traded with maths. I believe median method is maths, basically. It's not something that I ever want to get into though. It seems very confusing, and I was failing maths. So, and you know what's crazy? I wasn't failing because I was dumb. Yes, sir. Money don't sleep. Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss. I was failing because I was lazy, bro. I knew what I wanted, and in turn everything else became so hard for me to focus on if it's not what I wanted. If that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. I think, yeah, this it's time for the buys. I think it's time for the buys now, finally. I think it's finally time for the buys. Once we break that high, I think I'm gonna enter again. I'm entering again here. Let's see, bro. And then once we break above there, I'm gonna full margin. I'm gonna full margin at the top. And then just pray that it doesn't pull back there. If it doesn't, we're gonna have a very beautiful day. If it does, then it's gonna be very annoying. But I'm preparing a full margin now. Yo, Skeezy, you are the best mentor on doing what you are doing. Big shout out, bro. Much love, bro. Much love, bro. We try, bro. We try to keep it pushing, bro. Yo, bro, I need to work more, bro. I need to put in more work, bro. Like, I need to bring back the one-on-ones, bro. I feel like I'm sleeping on my students now, bro. Yo, I feel like I'm sleeping on y'all niggas, dog. You guys are cooking, especially on the exclusive mentorship. Which prop firms do you use, bro? In thought of Funded Next, but I don't know. I use Goat Funded, bro. I use GFT, bro. Should I upload the link so that you can get yourself an account with GFT, or you wanna send me a message and I just send you a link, bro? But yeah, I know. I now know how to trade Asian session before because of you, bro. Shout out, bro. Much love, bro. Asian session is really easy, but it requires you to be very disciplined in a sense because it can easily confuse you. I think I have enough entries 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's a 0,025. That's a 0,025. Let me see. Do I want to add one more? And then maybe just target 1K and call it a day? Because I can add a lot more. But I'm really scared at the same time because it looks like it might want to pull back. And I'm scared it does a double top. Let me see. It's bullish so far for the morning. This side, I'm floating $800. That's good. This side is looking good. It's this side that is a bit concerning because we've already blown the first 200. This is the last 200, and I'm being quite a bit risky. I'm a bit risky on it. I'm a bit risky. Bro, one thing that I want to tell you, Julian, you caught the buys very nicely. Well done, bro. But don't be one of those guys who keep on going on lives talking about I told you to buy gold full margin. We really don't care over here, bro. We really don't care what you do on the chart. We are here all just trying to trade our own way. I just happen to be live and you are interacting on the live, if that makes sense. We, how can I say it? We're here to build one another, but the tone of voice when you speak about I told you is a very unappealing tone simply because now what happens when you got it wrong? Are you gonna come and say, okay, guys, I was wrong? Most of the time, you don't. Most of the time, you keep quiet up until that time you you actually catch the trade. So rather instead, let's look at a sense of, yo, bro, this is what I see. Let's do it. And I might be taking out irritation on you though, because I'm a bit irritated from this other brother who was spamming on TikTok. And bro, it becomes a bit irritating sometimes, and it also distracts me. Okay, I full margined. Did I full margin? Is that full margin? Yes, it's full margin. But I didn't mean it in any harsh way. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it in any harsh way. Not add. I wanted to upload the link. Yo, bro, you know, I would hate it if it is just waking me and then I'm gonna blow my account. But I'm really confident in this trade, and it doesn't need to go that far to hit full TP. But yeah, eish, man, I don't know. 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 I like your honest sleazy. That's why I always want to trade with you. Much love, bro. Much love, bro. I try to be as honest as possible. Because in this industry, a lot of people build their careers on lies, and it comes back to bite you, bro. In the long run, that shit comes back to bite you. This is not a valid zone. This is not a valid zone. It was a previous high. So now I think it would be best to run unless the candlestick comes back and goes and takes out that high right now. It's gonna be best to run because this is a beautiful double top. This is a beautiful double top. And we don't have any clear zones to be trading off of. I don't know. Am I gonna take what I have? It's even too late now to even decide otherwise. I'm already in a loss even. How do I want to play this? That's a clear double top. That's a clear double top. If it were to buy now, it would just be. I don't see any other reason. I don't see a reason why it would just randomly buy now. We didn't have a break. I really thought we had a clear break. It's just a clear double top. This is not a valid zone. This was a previous high. This is the zone. This is a clear zone. Let's see though. Am I gonna hold on to my initial analysis and just let it blow? I think I'm gonna die like a man. I think I'm gonna die like a man. Yeah, I'm gonna take it like a man. Take it like a champ. Let's just let it happen. If I lose, I lose. If it's chai, it's chai, boss. Chai is chai, boss. No wrong, no wrong, no wrong. It's chai, it's chai. If it's chai, it's chai, bro. No, not die once. Oof. But it's barely doing anything. Why did you end your TikTok live? So that I can share my screen. So that you guys can see the screen when I'm live. I'm gonna buy a new phone for the TikTok. I promise. I'm gonna buy a second hand. I'm gonna go with the young 10,000 to Cash Crusaders. What do you think I can get for 10K at cash, bro? Or should I just go straight to iStore and buy a proper phone? Or do you think it's a waste if I buy a second hand at Cash Crusaders or pre-owned iStore? 10K pre-owned, what do you think I can get? Do you think I can get maybe a 13? Or a 12? I think I'm asking for a lot to get a 13 10K. Yo, I think I'm asking a lot. How much are these things go for, bro, actually? I never looked at the price. I'm loving it. I'm gonna die on top of the hill of these buys. I will die on top of a hill for these buys. If I'm wrong, I am wrong, and I will lose my money. It's fine. I saw 14 with 7K. 7K? 14. Damn, then we gonna go where? At Cash Crusaders. Where are you staying currently? Oh, you see now revealing my location. We'll just say PTA, bro. We'll just say PTA, bro. With 10K, you can get an iPhone 15. Really? Really? Damn. Okay, then we're gonna go and fetch in 15. Just to have a good camera, We have a good face cam when we go live on TikTok. And then we have this for the YouTube. That way now I have multiple streams. I mean, is it your place? No, it's not my place. It's not. I'm still with my mom. I'm getting my place in August. Maybe in August. But I might be doing a streaming tour thing. Not a streaming tour, but like a 30-day streaming event. I might do that. If I do, then it will be useless to go get that place that I wanna get. Um yeah, we'll see. We'll see, bro. We'll see, bro. We'll see, bro. We'll see, bro. Gold, Gold, what are you doing to me, man? What are you doing to me, Gold? Gold, Gold, what are you doing? Yeah, but I'm sticking with the buys. I'm sticking with the buys. I don't know where TP would be for 1K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 0.035. Yeah, that's not a lot. We selling at 133. Breakout Prada. I also you now, Chief. I also you, Chief. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Hi, Chief. Why are you coming here to make the market sell? You are mean, you, Chief. You are wrong, you, Chief. Can we get a vlog when you move? Clean, bro. Clean, 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 clean. Clean, 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 clean. You guys fuck with the vlogs. Do you guys fuck with the vlogs? Hey, bro, I was actually supposed to move out so long ago, bro. Honestly and truly, I was supposed to have moved out so long ago. But, yo, all these places, bro. I nearly got a play. I can't even reveal that now because I'm trying to also stay discreet. But at the same time, you guys will know where I'm at because you know the surroundings of that place, because it's not like I'm gonna hide the surrounding. Hey, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. See, whenever anything goes wrong, this is how we go to sleep. Silala kamnandi. I'm joking, guys. I'm only joking. I'm only joking, bro. I like how you stood your ground when Bruno said he's seeing a selling signal. Personally, I do that a lot. Sometimes I think whenever we went head to head like that, where Bruno saw one direction, I saw the other. Maybe 6 out of 10 times he would be right. But at the same time, I find it more it's much better to lose and stick to your direction than it is to win but take a signal. I'm not sure if that makes sense. Because when you lose and you stuck to your direction, you will learn a lesson from it. But if you win because somebody else won, you're not gonna really learn anything from it. Yes, you're gonna make the money, but in the long term, if that person is no longer available or around, what happens to you now? What happens to you now? Now you can't trade anymore. You know? Yeah, I think the double top is just gonna play out beautifully, bro. Oh, this double top looks gorgeous, bro. I'm married to the trade now, bro. I'm married to the trades now, bro. I'm not sure if you guys know that I feel like I've married the trades. Now I don't even want to close the loss. That's a beautiful sell, bro. It's gonna drop nicely. It's gonna drop nicely, but I feel attached to it. And that is something that I always struggle with, actually, honestly. It's something that I struggle with. Whenever I watch a trade run, I have a tendency of being forced. How can I say it? I'm forced to now make a decision. Whereas what I'm trying to teach myself is to just set and forget. You know, yeah. Let's see, man. You guys ever have that thing where how can I say it? Every time there's money in your account, you just feel obligated to place a trade. Not like it's out of obligation, but out of habit that you just want to place a trade. That's basically the feeling that I'm talking about. That feeling, that overwhelming feeling of always having to be inside a trade, that overwhelming feeling. It's very similar to what I'm feeling right now. But now, simply because I'm already in a trade, whenever I watch the market, that term chart zombie, basically, that's what I basically become, and I let the market control me and dictate me, and I run based on momentum, or I enter based on momentum, and it's very wrong. Trade addiction, basically. So yeah, it's a very hard thing to get out of. It's a very hard thing to get out of, bro. But I think I'm out of it now. I think I'm out of it now. Yeah, the trades are closing now. It's cool. It's only that one left again. It's only that one left again. So now we're just gonna just watch and see what the market does. It's how much did it leave me with? It left me with 28 rand. You left me with nothing. It's useless, mus. All day today. Move. Let me do this with these ones. I refuse to take a loss on these ones. Those ones can take a loss, it's cool, but these ones, I refuse to take a loss on these ones. Cool. Yeah, now we just wait. Now we just wait and see. Where do I get to DM you after registration on 066-293-2049, or send me a message on WhatsApp, Instagram, on Instagram or TikTok. My number is also on the bio on both Instagram and TikTok. It's again 066-293-2049. 61.8 gigoat. Shout out to 61.8, man. Shout out to 61.8. I think we're gonna wait a long time for these trades. But I'm just gonna stick to those buys, bro. I'm sticking to these buys. I'm married to them. If you were not on this buy position, would you have took the double top sell signal, and if not, why? I don't have confirmation yet. I would only have taken it here. Once we break below here, that's my signal to run. Anything in between, there's still an opportunity for price to gain momentum to push back to the upside. So in terms of my rules, watching the trade the way it's going is basically the best thing that I could have done. My entries could have been far better, but what I was expecting was that immediate volatility with a minor pullback and continuation, and I lost the gamble unfortunately. But the funded account is still looking healthy and is protected under that point of interest, if we can call it. You say your number too fast. Okay, 0662932049. Watch it by now. Wairahala. Are those the first trades on that 50K account, or you've been cooking? I've been getting cooked. I was getting cooked first. I started by getting cooked, and then I just recovered literally yesterday. And now we are in blues. 0662932049. Okay. You're 19 for real, for real. I recently turned 20, bro. I turned 20 in May. So I'm 20 now, chief. I'm 20 now, chief. Uh, looks like today is just gonna be a break-even day then. Yeah, I'm at 2006, bro. I am born in 2006. Who was your mentor back when you started trading? Or let me say, who inspired you? FX Goats inspired me, bro. FX Goats, Bandile Traders, and then the more recent ones, Leadership, Maps, Lincoln, Peace. Those are my goats, like those are the people that I looked up to as I was growing in the space, and people that I still maybe do look up to. I mean, they've grown very well in the space. But in terms of, as far as a mentor, the only person that has genuinely mentored me, well, Bruno taught me swing to swing. I also paid for Maps to Saho's mentorship. I mean, I was barely there though because I already knew how to trade. But yeah, I was there. Some of you guys even know me from there, actually. A few, though, a select few. I also what now? Let me think. I looked up to Jason as well. Jason Noah, DJ Coach. Oh, DJ Coach cooks, bro. DJ Coach cooks, bro. Stylish Keys, Isaac Easy. Yeah, those are my goats, bro. Those are my goats. Bro, you're cooked. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. I really don't have energy today, you know. Yeah, I think it sells, bro. It sells, bro. I'm about to get stopped out now. It sells. It sells. Okay. Okay, so if I were to say sales, this would be a good position for the sales right now because we closed below our low. We closed below our low. Let me just take a look if I'm willing to risk it or not. Am I willing to risk it or not? Okay. I I will not be trading anymore. I'm done for the night. I'm done trading for the night. That's a beautiful double top, but I'm still not confident in the sells. And in that being said, I would rather wait for something more clear. Um, Buys are the most clearest thing for me in my head. But we simply because of that double top and broken below, we now have a different perspective. And in that being said, I would much rather just stay out because the golden rule is if in doubt, just stay out. You understand? So we'll see what happens tomorrow. We'll chat again tomorrow. Otherwise, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe and tune in.